You searched how to buy shares of MDJM Ltd. So this short guide will show the steps to buy MDJM Ltd., a company that develops advanced medical devices, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker UOKA. This is educational information only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker UOKA to find MDJM Ltd. Select the result that matches MDJM Ltd. on NASDAQ so you locate the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company's summary, sector, and the price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the page shows MDJM Ltd. listed on NASDAQ with ticker UOKA before you proceed. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to commit, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once executed, your MDJM Limited position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.